Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, I've been fighting off rain for a couple days trying to get this cooked in, so we're gonna get it done tonight. We got a potential for rain, so hopefully we can get done before it all gets here. We're doing some homemade chili dogs tonight for game day food. Some more tailgating stuff, easy stuff to do. I'm throwing a little curve because we're doing some bacon wrapped chili dogs. Got the smoke coming in on me over here, but some bacon wrapped hot dogs with homemade chili sauce. And we're gonna make it up nice and pretty, make a nice little game day chili dog. Guys, let's get going. Just to give you a quick list of our ingredients we got going into our chili sauce, guys. I've got some onion powder, some garlic powder, some kosher salt, some chili powder. This is just some ketchup and some Dijon mustard and a can of tomato sauce. That's gonna make up our chili sauce tonight. Alright guys, I'm just going to wrap 4 of these. The kiddos are not going to want the bacon on there. I don't know why, but these are just some, these are some bun size, a little bit longer than normal, beef franks. And we're just simply going to wrap our dogs. I have to loosen that up, I will. I am. Talking about flavor. There we go. I'll show you another one, then I'll just do the other 2. You know how to do this. Just wrap them up. I've had better bacon, I can tell you that. Alright. Alright, once the fire's up to temp, we'll be ready to go. See you outside. I mostly lit on one side. Alright, we'll fix that. Be fine. Because we got some bacon grease, I'm going to put that in there just to try to prevent a fire. That heated up. Hey guys, go ahead and come in here with my cast iron skillet. This little 10-inch skillet I got. Got to get her heated up a little. Add a little olive oil in there. I got some very lean ground beef. I'm gonna go ahead and get it on in there. Start breaking it up. This is like 96.4. Ground, I think it's sirloin. What is it? This is ground beef. It's very lean. I'm gonna go ahead and add my dry ingredients. Our onion powder, garlic powder, our salt, and our chili powder. Guys, I will have exact measurements in the description below. I am breaking this up pretty fine. This is a chili sauce, so I don't want large clumps in this particular chili. Prime 6 charcoal is doing its job, even though I dumped it a little sooner than I probably should have. Alright folks, I'm going to come in here and add our Dijon mustard. Our ketchup. And our tomato sauce. Alright guys, I'm going to pull this off to the side. I'm going to keep it close to the heat because I want that to simmer some. We'll keep mixing it as we go. But I need to get some dogs on here. And the flies are going to fight here. I'm going to place the dogs indirect for now. I need to give it, actually I'm going to do these over here. I need to get this ones with bacon on it over here under that pan. So they can cook a little. I want the bacon to cook through. These other dogs that I'll just grill them off. All right, everything's looking good. Here's where it gets a little exciting. I got a very small piece of pecan wood. I'm gonna get in here and just generate some smoke. I don't want a lot of smoke. We're gonna let that go for just a little bit. Everything's looking good. Bacon's starting to cook. I really want to give this a taste. Very tasty. But I'm gonna add just a little bit more salt and a little bit more chili powder. You season this however you like. Alright, probably next time I come out, I'll probably be starting to grill some dogs. Things looking good. I'm gonna get this a little closer to the fire. And these two. I want that bacon to cook. That's why I'm not putting these plain dogs directly over the heat just yet. Get these guys, oh yeah. Uh-oh. I should have stuck them. Careful how I turn these. I'm gonna stick these, just let them grill just a minute so I can get the family start feeding. They're not gonna do the chili. The little ones will not. Okay, I'm taking these plain dogs off. Gonna go in there and Mama's gonna get the kiddos fed and we'll come up here and finish up ours. Alright guys, I think we are about there. I'm gonna pull these guys off, get inside, and that grease is definitely dripping now. I'm gonna pull these off and get inside, get my family fed, and I'll build us a hot dog. Hey guys, I got some little top-loaded buns here. Thing looks beautimous. Come in here with some of this chili sauce right there on top. I'm going to top this with some shredded cheddar cheese. And just a little bit of chopped white onions. One of my favorite things to go with chili dogs is just some Fritos corn chips. Would you look at that? That's a bunch of food right there. Let's go in. God, that is over the top. I'll tell you what, that little bit of pecan smoke I added to that, I didn't overdo it. I just put a hint of smoke on that. Ah, that is good. Look at that onion. Guys, little game day food for you. Some of the things we do around here on game day. It's very simple. You guys know me. I don't get too complicated. This is a very easy chili mix. For the chili dogs. And the cheese, the onions, just a little bit of pecan smoke on that. Worked out great. Guys, as always, give you a little cheers to you guys. Thank you so much sticking with us. It did get a little warm. I'm a little sweaty. But guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.